You really want to immerse the chain in Agent's Apple or the cassette so it's completely covered, then leave it overnight. But the formula is so strong, it does start working within just 5 minutes. So you'll see the results right now. And that was grime that was caked on. It was several layers of lubricants of different brands purposely to make it gunk up. Diesel fumes in London neglected for 6 months. And you'll see that caked on grime, which you couldn't easily scrub off at all, is now just coming off with a very light touch from the green oil bamboo detail brush. It's just coming off and sinking to the bottom of the milk bottle there. And it's actually sinking so that you can pour the Agent Apple back off from the top, back into the bottle, and you can actually reuse Agent Apple over 3 times. And that previously black grimy chain is now nearly shiny, and any remaining bits can be rubbed off easily.